Did you know that most people spend their whole lives working for money, but never learn how money actually works? Let's fix that. Here are the 4 rules of being financially literate in 60 seconds. Rule number 1. Know the difference between assets and liabilities. Assets put money in your pocket, like real estate or stocks. Liabilities take money out, like car loans and credit card debt. Rule number 2. Track your cash flow. Money comes in, money goes out. But if you don't control the flow, your bank account will always feel empty. Rule number 3. Understand taxes. The rich don't avoid taxes, they learn the rules. Things like legal deductions and smart investing can save you thousands. Rule number 4. Make money work for you. Trading time for money has limits, but passive income? That's limitless. Learn these rules and your money will start working harder than you do. Subscribe for more.